guys, welcome to Niansheng Beauty. This is Coco. Today we introduce the Venus Legacy Slimline machine for you. It has 4 handles. One is 4D body handle, and the second handle is 4D face handle, and the third handle is diamond polar, and the last one is the multiple polar handle. And now we open the machine to test. And now we choose the energy. And this is the treatment time and the side treatment time. And click here to start treatment. Now we choose the second handle. And we choose the energy here. And this is the frequency treatment time and the size of treatment time. And click here to start. This is the 4D face handle. Usually it can do the treatment for the face and neck. It is do treatment for the small area treatment. And now we choose the energy of the RF energy. And this is the outer RF energy. This is inner RF energy. And usually we choose the 5% is okay. And here it is the different mode. And the treatment time. Click here. And we can control the energy from the handle can work. And you can see here the energy is increased. Okay, the different mode can choose here. Body handle, usually it can do treatment for the body and the big area treatment for the leg or neck. Now we test the last handle. It is the diamond polar handle. Usually it can do for the face and small areas. And we can choose the energy here and the treatment time. Okay, click here to start work. Okay, this is a very popular and effective Venus Legacy Slimline machine, and it can do a lot of different treatment on face, body, and neck. And it can do the reduction of cellulite and skin tightening and reduction of wrinkle. So if you need this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.